music up. I don't know. Not sure if the music would just mess up my voice, but sure, why not? Oh, it's muffled. Oh, I need to be inside. Alrighty. My popularity wants me. Take pictures of me, not him. Me! Me! Thank you. Me. I'm right. Yes, thank you. Alright, that's good enough. Save your storage for someone else.
Only thing on my mind.
Okay.
Think about the money. Yeah. They're trying to beat me. Ain't no point
I'm
in
hardest. Trust me, I really am. I'm really trying.
She said she want me, but I'm not looking for love. She said she love me, but I'm not looking for love.
Also, she's first.
But I'm not looking for love.
Is that a gun? Just for to light someone up. 180. The WAP dance. Nice. Okay. We're all coming first. These one coming first, boy. We're off at a good start. Yep, we're in first. Not a surprise, but okay. How y'all gonna come back from that, huh? Tell me. Tell me now. I need answers. Please. Legend has it, they still have yet to tell me. But I'm just gonna leave it be. Cause that's my spot. Yeah, get off, girl. Get off. Yeah, I see you. Get off. I'm better than you. I'm better than you. Nah, this is my podium. My spot now. Never will be yours. Oh. I'm a second, I'm a fourth, I'm a sixth, seventh, fifth, third, first, boy. None y'all wanna test me. Try me. Oh god. Ouch. My foot hurt. Bam! Take that, you pro. I don't understand why, but Roblox simps for people that look like pros. I just don't know why. I look like a noob. I clearly have more points. Just gives it to a pro player. Just out of nowhere. Makes no sense, but okay. Whatever. Just whatever, man. Bam, busters. Dig up the ground. Getting that footwork. None of y'all will beat me until I just give up the podium. None of y'all will. None of y'all. None of y'all. None. Zero. Might as well just give up and go home. Don't go big. You'll embarrass yourself. Yes, sir. Ha! Amazing, Busters. Amazing. 176 against 350. So trash. Yeah, get up there. Show yourself some love. But I didn't ask either. No, I don't care. Uh-oh. Hey, that caught me off track. I'm still in first. Haha, y'all suck. Me best. Me god, you know. I missed. No. Yeah, boy. Wait, what? How did I miss? Wait, what's going on? I don't have my mouse right here either. I have to use a pad that's on the computer. I was using my father's mouse, so now I have to use a pad on the computer. Ow, my toes. Yeah, boy, that was amazing. Oh, Flamingo was right. That person stared at me. It's looking deep in my soul. S. Wait, what? Oh wow, so got that. Nice. Alternative title, me just sitting here dancing competition for like a good 10 minutes. Just talking, yeah. I'm constantly getting first. What y'all gonna do about it, huh? Not giving y'all not even a single chance to beat me. Hey, you're not gonna beat the elevated one. Don't beat the big boy. Salsa step. Quit being toxic just because you're not first. See, look at you, you're constantly making mistakes. Alright, alright, I'm feeling it. Bet. Oh, I see myself. Oh, yeah, boy. Tell me in the comment section if my dancing was really good. Tell me now. Tell me now. Tell me now. No, now. Just now. You know what? Whatever. Oh wow, it's over already? And oh my, pick up the pep in your step. Get yourself at least a chance. You know, I'm actually going to audition because like I just wanna. Wait, hold on, man. Hold on. All right, chill out. I can't see, dude. Oh god. I don't care. Yeah, sure, man. I just want to get out. Okay, I gotta get my rifle spot back up first. Bam. Hey, she tried it. Hey, big noob. Oh. Dang. All of us are, well, besides the third person, all staring down my soul. Everyone's soul in here. Whatever. Should not be reached. Oh no. Oh no. Dies. Dies slowly. Farts. Dies. Yeah, Buster. I'm a winner. Not a loser. Losers lose. Winners win. Yeah. Calm it down. I'm just vibing to the music. Leave me alone. Ouch. So this one time I was playing Among Us, and wait, you're still here? Oh wow, you're a real OP player. Okay, so this one time I was playing Among Us, and then I went into a server. There's a person named Black People, and he was racist. He said he didn't like black people. And I said he's racist. Then another person joined, who was Cyan. Then he said, but brown people, just no. Yeah, just no. He was also racist. Then I called an emergency meeting when we were started the game. And then I said, vote off green, then Cyan. And then Black said, no, vote off brown, people can have opinions. I'm like, what? These people are racist, come on. Then they ended up voting me off. Then I was real mad about that. Then eventually got to the end of the round. Turns out green was an imposter, so feel dumb now. So then after that, I just went ahead and left. Ooh. Alright, Busters. Here I am. Hope you enjoyed the story time. Second place. She stubbed her toe. This sounds fire. Yeah, boy. And I got 65%, bruh. Oh my lord. Yeah, whatever. Hey, ladies. Alrighty, this is the end of the video. Goodbye. I can't get up here. Goodbye.